I love cycling, as you might expect, having this channel, and you probably do too, seeing you're watching this video. But I often seem to have a Jekyll and Hyde type of feeling about cycling, or maybe if you remember Tom and Jerry, the one where there's a devil and an angel sitting on his shoulder. And it's because I'm in sort of two minds about it. Maybe you are too. You could drop any comments down below if you feel the same. So on one hand, I've got the fact that I love, being fit, working on that fitness, trying to develop it, trying to be strong and as fast as I can, build up my power, all those sorts of things. And I really enjoy working out, doing sessions on the turbo or trainer, following a plan. And getting in the hours that I know is going to make me fitter or stronger or faster. Sometimes I find it hard to get out, but I've got that incentive and that discipline, I suppose, to follow a plan and get out and do a 3-hour ride, even if I didn't necessarily feel like getting up in the cold this morning. So that's one side of the equation. And the other side of me just wants to be the sort of rider that goes out without a computer, without a power meter, without anything, with no schedule to follow or goals to reach, and just wants to go out and stop like this when I want to, maybe go and have a look at some things, explore places, a bit like if you've watched any of those GCN videos with the slow cyclist, Jack Thurston, just to be more like that. But it's funny, I've got this real contention inside of which one am I going to be. So on one hand, I'm following a plan, doing interval sessions, enjoying those, but on the other hand, I wish I could maybe forget it all and just go out and ride and explore and enjoy cycling for what it is. And I do that sometimes, but occasionally, certainly the biggest driver at the moment is that fitness one, especially if you've been watching the channel and I'm on my Project 60 to see how fit I can get by the time I'm 60, which is about 10 months away at the moment, 9 months away. So I've got that driving me quite well, and it has done really, that fitness bug and cycling fast for the last 10 or 15 years. But there is a part of me that envies those people that just go out and enjoy cycling without any of those things to worry about. And you may well be thinking, what an idiot, you could just go out and enjoy a ride. And I can, and particularly when I'm on a ride like this, which is on the schedule, but it is a zone 2 steady ride, I do tend to do that a bit more, and I do allow myself to stop and enjoy scenes and scenery. It would be nice to be not so goal driven, I suppose. What sort of cyclist are you? Drop it in the comments below. Are you like me, a bit of both, or are you definitely one or the other? Or have I missed one out? Or have I missed a few out? What other types of cyclists are there? And I'm not necessarily talking about the type of cycling, as in road, mountain bike, cyclocross, gravel, all those sorts of things. Because even within those disciplines, you've got people who just go out and enjoy it and bimble about with their mates, have a coffee stop, and then you've got people who are geared towards racing, that fitness goal, that PR, or whatever it is. Maybe there will come a time when I stop worrying about numbers and being fit and fast, or trying to be fast, and do just embrace the social side of cycling and the fun and enjoyment you get just from being out in nature. Either way, it's great for the mind and great for the body. Today's video is just a bit of a food for thought, or it's just what's going on in my head frequently. Let me know what you think. Hope you enjoyed the video and enjoyed the scenery, and until next time, bye for now.